Also, I'm fully. Oh, big stretch incoming. Big stretch. Big stretch. Yeah. Oh, that one's good. Also, I'm fully booked this year. I'm not doing any projects. I am booked. I have too many things on my plate. 3 conventions I'm going to. Oh, chat. Who's coming to TwitchCon EU? TwitchCon Rotterdam? But yeah, I'm too freaking booked, bro. I'm not doing any more projects. This year is full. Me! I wish I could. Yeah, it's expensive, isn't it? TwitchCon itself, just the ticket itself. Like, you would think the tickets to an event that is sponsored left, right, and center by like a million things would be a little cheaper. Especially when all you can do is maybe meet a streamer. The ticket isn't even 10% of the total cost? Damn, Shorka! That's one way to flex your hotel! Woo! That's crazy. I can barely afford a flight to San Diego. I sure can afford one to Rotterdam. Dude, I'm so glad my flights to America are paid by whatever company is flying me over. Because damn, I am not okay. I am so sorry that I am so picky. I don't know what it is, but I am not flying 16 hours economy, bro. The only affordable way to fly that's still expensive and still costs thousands is economy. I am not flying 16 hours fucking economy, bro. I'm flying business. And every time people fly me to America, I'm like, I insist on business and I insist on being able to lie down 180. 180! One time a company tried to fly me out and it was business, but I was like, is it the one that makes me lie down there? Like, probably. I'm like, I don't do probably. You fucking call and you make damn fucking sure it's 180, bro. You make damn fucking sure the tickets you're about to book are 180. I am not doing the probably and sit there for 16 hours. Make it 100% sure. I am not sitting up straight for 16 hours. Are you crazy? In an overnight flight too? Hell nah. Nah, not happening. I think like the max amount of flight time I can do is like 6-8 without having to, stretch my legs and lie down or anything. But any flight above like 8 hours, I'm like, I'm sorry, but we do business class. You have to book the tickets because I sure as hell ain't fucking touching them. You are booking the tickets and you call and you make damn fucking right sure it is those lay down seats with the 180 where you get a pillow and blankie and everything. Dude, my ass, I don't know if it's my hemorrhoids or something, but 6 to 8 hours is the absolute most I can sit in a fucking airplane seat. I don't know if it's my hemorrhoids. I can't sit anymore. I can't sit longer. It doesn't work. I can't sit straight for like 6 hours or 8 hours. It's crazy. I can't even do that at home. People are like, oh, Lily, you're sitting on your chair for like 8-hour streams. And I'm like, I don't sit on this chair the same way I do in a plane. It's not even close to being the same. In this chair, I bought an XL. I have the Secret Labs chair because I fell victim of like the Secret Labs thingy where like everyone and the mom had a Secret Labs chair and they were all like, it's the best chair ever. Anyways, I bought an XL because I sit like a toddler. I need to always sit in different positions every minimum like 15 to 20 minutes when I'm streaming. That's how I can stream so many hours. Because I sit in like, I change my positions all the freaking time. So when I have to go in a plane on those hard ass seats and sit straight like I'm in a fucking office for 16 hours, nah, I can't do that. I can't do that. Yes, the legs are up or under me or to my side. My legs are literally up right fucking now. I almost never sit in my chair as if it's an office chair. Fucking never. Never, 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 never. That will be a crime. Never ever. Hi, Mary! Hello! Hello! Yeah, I need to change my positions at the absolute latest every 30 minutes. I can't sit the same way for like multiple hours. Changing position, staying flexible and not being stiff is so important to my setting.
Really a passenger princess for real. You enjoy those standards, you deserve it.
I am a passenger princess. I am. Probably why I couldn't drive a car either. Imagine having to always like sit in a normal car position because your feet have to be at the pedals. That wouldn't fucking work for me. I need to put my feet up on the chair. I need to be able to stretch my legs and then put them to the side and then take them onto the chair and just like sit with my legs on the seat. It's just, I can't otherwise. A lot of first class tickets, well, the airline I fly you doesn't have first class. It's business. It's like there's business class and then there's like business plus, which is basically first class. I don't know why the fuck they call it business. Like, just call it first class, bro. But basically, that's economy with seats that don't recline or barely recline. Then there's a section for business where it's like the seats recline and they're higher quality, but that's kind of it. And then there's like business plus where you can lie down. It's a bed. It is a bed. You get a pillow, you get a blankie. I mean, the other people also get blankies, but you get a pillow and blankie. It's high quality, it's fluffy, and you can lie down like 180. Yeah, exactly. I fly with KLM and they call it like World Business Class. Yeah. And if you fly with KLM, you have to make sure it's called World Business Class, else you can't lie down. And naturally, you can only book it if it's like a longer flight. I lost the sneeze because I had food in my mouth. I just had. I took a bite of a brownie. I couldn't sneeze properly. Now I got snatched, low-key. Snatched. Hiya, snatched. Food snatched. You ever have that where you just took a bite of something and now you know you can't sneeze properly because you were just like... all of your saliva and like... whatever food particles were just like... everywhere. I fucking hate that. That was me just now. It's like... when the sneeze happens after you took a bite of something, it's like, oh no, not right now, please. Like, you just know if you don't hold back the sneeze, it'll get gross, bro. It'll get gross as fuck. Yeah, worst case scenario, you sneeze out like the actual food. Yeah, it has happened before. But like years and years and years and years and years and years and years back, like when I was very young and sneezing wasn't a common thing just yet, and then, you know, it was your first time where you just so happened to have taken a bite of something, and shortly after, there's a sneeze, and it just kind of... and then you learn that sneezing with any capacity of food in your mouth is not good. So when you were 25, fuck off, dude! I hate you so much! Dude, oh my, I have had the privilege of never having had food enter my nose through a sneeze. I am very... Drinks though? Yeah. Oh my god, the word... Oh, as a kid, oh my god. Pop Rocks. Do you guys know Pop Rocks, chat? Do you know Pop Rocks? So like, as a kid, right? There were those Pop Rocks. And after I had a mouthful, it made me sneeze-ish. Cause like, it was like, it made me sneezy. So I have the Pop Rocks tickling away in my mouth, which makes my nose tickle. I sneeze. And the sneeze somehow, so like, I didn't have Pop Rocks in my nose, but because I sneezed, the like acidic saliva somehow entered like part of my nose, and it was just like, ah, it was so uncomfortable. It was, you know,